Hi, my name is Lucas Boladian, and I'm affiliated with the Edgar Cayce Center of New York, ARE of New York, and I'm active on the board, and I also do energy psychology. Specifically, I do TAT, Tapas Acupressure Technique, and EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. The principle behind that Tapas Acupressure Technique is a way of putting you in touch with your subconscious, allowing one to bypass your conscious mind and letting things get resolved at the subconscious level. And since your subconscious is already in touch with the universal consciousness, a lot of things can get resolved on a global level without needing to be very specific about what needs to be addressed. The principle behind EFT is that if something bothers you, it's due to some energy imbalance in your body, and that energy imbalance can be addressed using Chinese acupuncture meridians. So if one taps on specific points on the body, mostly on the face, then what happens is that those points that are on the meridians will send energy down the entire meridian, and consequently the energy will be made available to the rest of the body. So if all these points are tapped in a successive and repetitive manner, then that imbalance will be removed by tapping. So over time, EFT has been used successfully for all kinds of things, from PTSD to cancer to a multitude of things. I haven't really done that myself with these major illnesses, but I'm aware of other people that have used EFT successfully for major illnesses. And the same has been the case with TAT, as well as other energy psychology approaches.